tears I'll pledge thee, warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee. Had we never loved sae kindly, had we never loved sae blindly, never met or never parted, we had ne'er been broken hearted. Fare thee weel, thou first and fairest, fare thee weel, thou best and dearest, thine be ilka joy and treasure, peace, enjoyment, love, and pleasure. A fond kiss, and then we sever, a farewell, and then forever. Deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee, warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee. Burns wrote that song in 1791 for one of the great loves of his life, known as Clorinda. She was leaving forever for the West Indies. Sir Walter Scott later commented that the verse, "Had we never loved sae kindly," contained the essence of 1,000 love tales. This reminded me of when Adele sang "Someone Like You" at the Albert Hall. And that great performance, people said anybody who ever had a broken heart would really identify with. So too, over many centuries, those who've said farewell identify with Robbie Burns' great words. I learned this song from my friend Fiona when she sang it at her family's Hogmanay Callie in 1981 in Dundee.